Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unboxing for you. This literally arrived today and I'm very excited to showcase and announce this. This is something I've been working on for quite a few weeks now with someone that I met through the community, and I'm very excited to showcase it. Now, for those of you that have sent me mail calls or things that I have brought within Stacker Social, I have got them. They are all here. I do need to get round to filming videos on them. So thank you to everyone that has sent me things, or those of you that I've brought things from. Rest assured, it is still with me. I just haven't had a chance to film. But I hope you all had a very nice Christmas. And I hope you all have a very nice new year. Hopefully I'll be able to edit and upload this video tonight, which is actually New Year's Eve. So I'm going to try and get this edited and out for everyone today. But let's get straight into it. So let's see, they're very nicely packaged to start with. Got loads of these packing peanuts in there. I sent over them some Stacker Social business cards for them to put with the box. This is the star of the show. And this is actually a silver coin storage box. A personalised 365 coin storage box. This is a Pelican-style, so it's nice and rugged. Really protects your coins. It's got a nice felt base on it as well, so it doesn't slide around loads when you put it on a surface. And this has been engineered, like I said, by someone that I met through the community. The same person that actually produced this for me is the person that actually made this rack at the back here. The rack that I've had in my setup for quite a long time now. You can see it's actually probably the same felt that's been used on the bottom here for this display stand over the back. So it's someone I met through the community. I reached out to them a while ago to make me a display stand, and as you can see, I've had it in my backdrop for quite some time. And I reached out to them again, and they have produced this very cool, tough, hard wearing storage box for your coins. Now let me just show you it in all its glory. It's got the 365 logo subtly at the front there. Nice and plain all the way around. You've got the foam on the bottom so it doesn't slide around too much. And then it's really nice and secure. 2 latches that go across these pegs here, these screws. So it really clicks into place to keep everything nice and secure. As we open it up, we've got some foam on the top. So this gently presses down on the coins and it keeps them from rattling around too much. They're going to rattle around a little bit from left to right, but they're not going to rattle around up and down. You can see hardly any movement in there, which is just the way I wanted it. I wanted it to be a way of not only storing your coins, but a way of transporting your coins as well. So we've got a nice thick layer of foam here. You can see how compact it is because it's actually got the lines coming around there. But these actually hold really high premium, good quality rimless capsules. Now there are other versions of this box on the market, but the ones that I've seen do not hold the premium capsules. A lot of versions that I've seen of this, and I've actually purchased in the past, they come with capsules, but they're really poor capsules. And the problem I found is I switched out the original capsules that came with a previously brought box for these premium capsules. And the way that I found the best capsules was by putting a post on Stacker Social, asking everyone what their preferred capsule was. And then I picked the majority vote. And the majority vote picked these capsules. So I brought them and I put them in the original box that I had brought. And when I tried to close it, it just would not close because the box was tailored around cheaper, plasticky feeling, not hard wearing capsules. These, although obviously they're plastic still, they don't feel plasticky and cheap. They're good quality capsules. They're rimless, really, really good. Many people in the community will use the same capsules already. Most of your coins will probably be in these capsules already. But this actually comes with the capsules. It's going to be available for sale. It holds 32 in total. It's very easy to get them out. You've got enough room down the sides to be able to get your fingers in and get them all out. And this is going to be a product that I'm actually going to be listing for sale. Myself and the person that helped me come up with the creation for this and helped tailor it to all of these needs that I asked for. I wanted it to hold quality capsules. I wanted foam in the top to hold them in place. I wanted some nice branding on there. And this was a touch that they added themselves, which is really, really cool. It's also got a thin layer of rubber around here, which again, you don't often see in a lot of the 3D printed cases that you see online. There's a little rubber, I don't know what you call it. Is it a grommet, or have I made that word up? But a little thin rubber thing that goes all the way around the edge, and that helps it close. And when you tighten it up, it really gives it a nice airtight seal. And just another cool feature that makes this case really stand out from most of the cases that you'll see on the market. So this is going to be available for sale. I'm going to list this on Stacker Social. There'll be a link. Whoa, going everywhere. There'll be a link to the person that has helped produce this within that link, and you can go directly to their website. Myself and that person, we're doing a profit share on this piece. So yeah, really cool coin storage box. Nice hard wearing. You'll find the lid doesn't flap around, so it just closes nicely, stays open if you want it to stay open. We've just tried to change everything that we could from the ones that are already out there. We've tried to really go above and beyond, even the little touch with the felt at the bottom. We just tried to produce a case that is not only really practical, but also really high quality. So yeah, we'll leave a link to the website where you can pick one of these up in today's video description. You can actually buy these whether you live in the UK or abroad, but if you live across the pond or in any other country, it is going to be quite hard to get hold of these for a decent price, because I think the postage is around £14. So if you live in the UK, it's only £3.55 postage for 48 hours tracked. But if you live anywhere else, you can still get them, but the postage is quite high. So bear that in mind if you want to pick one of these up. But there we go. That is today's video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. This has been a project that we've been working on, like I said, for a good few weeks now. And it's really cool to finally be able to launch it, release it, and showcase it. So yeah, like I said, I will leave a link in today's video description. There will also be a sales post I'll list on Stacker Social. Head over there, grab one if you're interested, and I really appreciate the support. But that is today's video done. This is going to be the box that I use for the rest of 2026 to try and fill. It's going to be my filler tube challenge box. I'm really looking forward to getting this filled right to the very top. 32 ounces of silver in total once it's filled to the brim. Let's see how long it takes for me to get every single one of these capsules to have a silver coin within them. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and I hope you all have a very nice day.